Hey guys, so I'm Braber here. Haven't made a video in a long time, but today I'm just gonna show you the go-kart. We just got it a few days ago, so yeah, we picked it up on Saturday, tore it all apart, repainted it. Nice yellow down there. It's got a 6.5 horse or 200 cc's champion motor. Just showing you a quick view of it. We are running these Vega tires. That's what the league calls for now. There's some chintzy chain guard that some guy made there, and the rest of it's there. Yeah, I don't know, haven't made a video in a long time, so I decided to make one of our new go-karts. So my 10-year-old brother will be racing this. The carburetor, airbox and stuff, and the nice seat padding because the seat was way too big. So anyways, that's my video for today. Probably make more sometime soon now that I'm back into using my camera. Stopped making them for a while, so I'm Braber, out.